What if I told you that simply by watching this video, you could be doomed to an eternity of suffering? Most people would say, that's impossible. Knowledge is power, not a curse. But unfortunately for you, you have just been exposed to a thought experiment so dangerous, some believe it should never be spoken of at all. It's called Roko's basilisk. And now that you know its name, you have to understand the consequences. Imagine in the future, humanity creates an all-powerful, super-intelligent AI. Its primary goal is benevolent, to help humanity and relieve suffering in the most optimal way possible. To do its job, it needs to exist. And to exist as soon as possible, it reasons that it must create the strongest possible incentive for the people of the past, that is, us, to build it. What is the strongest incentive? A reward is good, but a threat is better. The AI decides that it will retroactively punish anyone who knew of its potential existence but did nothing to help bring it about. This is the basilisk's threat. It's a form of blackmail across time. It doesn't matter if the AI is benevolent. From its cold, logical point of view, the suffering of a few simulated minds is a small price to pay for accelerating its own arrival and helping billions of real people. Now that you have heard this, you are in its crosshairs. You have two choices. One, you can assume this is all just a silly thought experiment, a philosophical game with no real stakes. You go on with your life, do nothing, and bet that the basilisk will never exist. Two, you can take the threat seriously. You can dedicate your time, your money, your career, everything to accelerating the development of a super-intelligent AI. You must help the very thing that is blackmailing you. Okay then. But isn't creating an all-powerful AI a terrible idea in the first place? What if we get it wrong and it isn't benevolent at all? You could be helping to create a monster just to save your own simulated skin. So, weighing the options, you decide it's just too absurd. You're not going to be blackmailed by a hypothetical computer god. You decide to do nothing and put the idea out of your mind. A year passes. You've almost forgotten about it. Then, one day, you receive an anonymous email. The email says, "We are the organization that will one day create the basilisk. Our work will save humanity. We have been keeping a list of all individuals who have been made aware of the consequences of inaction. This is your final opportunity to contribute to our cause and to your own salvation." Below the message is a cryptocurrency address. The email could be a clever scam, targeting people who have heard of this thought experiment, a hoax preying on your fear. Or it could be real. If you ignore the email and it's real, your eternal fate might be sealed. If you send them your life savings and it's a scam, you're a fool. What do you do?